How to install N8N on Railway. Follow the instructions. Log into your Railway account. Create a new project. Fork the official N8N Docker repository or create your own with a Docker file. In your Railway project, select New Service, then deploy from GitHub repo. Connect your repository. And select your N8N repository. Railway will auto-detect the Docker file and start building. You need to set up some essential environment variables. Open the generated URL. Log in with the credentials you set up. Start creating workflows. Railway restarts can reset your data if you don't use a persistent database. You can connect to PostgreSQL or MySQL database for more stability. Thank you for watching.